Hello everyone, welcome to Flutter Tutorial. In this topic, I will tell you about types of variable that includes two main types. Types of variable in Flutter have two main. One, string. String is letter you can create string from single or double quote and write some detail in single or double quote. 2. Number. Number is numeric integer, double or float that you can create with us single or double quote. Okay, let's get started in coding. I will use code from last video and create body in this line below add bar body colon comma. Okay, the first I will create type of variable in string and integer below class my attention stateless. The first you need to determine type of variable if you want to create. If I want to create string, I will use string and then name of your variable. I will use name equal single quote hello Flutter. And then I use int for integer name variable number equal 20. Okay, I complete in create variable. I will send data in string and integer to show in body screen of mobile application. Back in body screen, Y center, because I have to show my variable in the center of screen in this point, and then show track. If you need to show in your data of variable to the screen, you need to use single quote and $sign. It means you will use data and send to body screen, and then behind the $sign is name your variable. We use name. But sometimes if you need to make cause, you can use pass operator to make in many detail. I will show you. I will hide, then pass. Okay, I will space bar. Then I will show in integer $sign number. Yes. Okay, reload it. But before you will, you need to save in this code in Mac. Use command S and then reload it. Okay, that's work. This video is some detail about types of variable. In next video, I will tell you about how to convert int to string and string to int. If you like in this clip, please subscribe this channel, and if you have some comment, please let me know. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.